You're working hard, but let me ask you this. When harvest season comes, what will you have to show for it? Let's talk like farmers today. Every farmer understands this. No planting, no harvest. You don't just wake up and expect yams to appear. You prepare the land, plant the seeds, and water it consistently, even when nothing is showing yet. But many of us, especially Nigerians and Africans abroad, are working jobs, doing business, earning money, but we're not planting anything financially. We send money home, pay bills, buy designer, but we've never truly invested. That's like working a farm for 30 years and never planting a single seed. Investing is planting, saving is watering, financial freedom, that's the harvest. Start planting, start with stocks, real estate, treasury bills, even small contributions into a long-term plan. It doesn't have to be big, just intentional. Because retirement is coming, and guess what? If you didn't plant, there'll be nothing to harvest. Don't just hustle, invest. If you enjoy this video, subscribe to our channel for more. Turn Naira today into wealth tomorrow. Moloney Street Re. Build your financial future one step at a time.